Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you have error on your iPhone with your network, 3G, 4G or 5G, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing you need to try, just open the settings, just find your airplane mode, just try to turn it on, wait a few seconds and just turn it off again. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try to open your mobile or cellular data. Just tap here on mobile data options or cellular data options, and here you need to turn off low data mode. So just try to turn it off. So just check if you turn it off, and also just tap on voice and data, and just if you have here 5G, just choose 5G, or if you have LTE maximum, just choose LTE. So just use more faster internet, and also just turn off your personal hotspot. If you use it, just turn it off, and also you can try to turn off mobile data and turn on it again. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try to go to the general, just find here, just scroll down, just find here shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simply restart your phone. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to go to the general again and just find here reset, just tap on reset, and here you need to choose reset network settings. So just submit resetting network settings, and I hope that one of these methods will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.